How to add location in Google Maps. For that, you need to open the Google Map application. After that, let's select any random place here. And after that, you need to swipe up right. On this box, you can select add a missing place option. And now you'll get access to this page where you need to enter the place details, the place name, category, and location within. You can also edit the map location, and here you can add more details. On the place name required, it has given the star mark, so it means that it's compulsory to add the place name and the category as well. After you have entered all the place details, you can tap on submit button, which is at the bottom right corner, and following this step you can easily add location in the Google Maps. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.